Hello guys, it's Abrar here. Today I'm going to show you YouTube single, multiple and playlist thumbnail downloader. I also make YouTube single, multiple and playlist video downloader in HD, 2K, 4K and 8K without limit. So I will launch in future. So first I make this. So when you this zip file take for me, extract like a simple folder like this one and find this exe file and click on open. And first we need to link. I just select this random, so paste here URL, and if you want when this thumbnail downloading done, then automatic output path opening like, and if you want automatic open folder after downloading, so just check this box. And if you want the thumbnail name like this, same as, so if you want this video thumbnail showing you, so just click on this checkbox, so just click on start button. So it's done. See here the result, and I am going to show you. See here the result. So now I am going to show you multiple thumbnail downloaders. So click on clear button, and now this link index 1, so pick up link and showing the 36 videos. So we are downloading 36 thumbnail video from playlist. We have 36 thumbnail downloader from this channel, from playlist, from. So enter this URL and click on start button, and it will automatic find the, see here the 36 downloading. He's find the 36. So also see here the 36, so automatic downloading and automatic notification showing you. So here 36 items and all to all playlist is downloading. Thumbnails with names. See here Demon Salary episode 1 and Demon Salary episode 1. So automatic all download. Okay. If you want this bot, just contact with me. My all contact information in description. Thanks for watching.